Hey there, welcome to this beginner's guide to Power BI. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to use some of the most powerful time intelligence functions in Power BI. PREVIOUSDAY, PREVIOUSMONTH, PREVIOUSQUARTER, and PREVIOUSYEAR. By the end, you'll see exactly how to compare your current sales to the previous periods, all in one clear, beginner-friendly report. If you want to build insightful dashboards that really help you understand trends and patterns over time, you're in the right place. Let's get started right away. To kick things off, let's talk about our sample data. For this walkthrough, you'll want to use a small table with just two columns, date and sales. You can easily paste in the data I've provided or use the sample in the description. This gives us a really clean, straightforward way to focus on learning the time functions without getting distracted by a complicated dataset. Trust me, starting simple is the best way to really understand what's going on. Now, one of the biggest secrets to unlocking Power BI's time intelligence is having a proper date table. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a must. Without it, many of these functions simply won't work right. So let's create one together. Go to the Modeling tab, then choose New Table. Here, you're going to enter a formula to generate a sequence of dates that covers your entire data range. Don't worry, I'll include the exact formula to copy in the video description below. A date table acts like the calendar for your report. It's what allows Power BI to understand how time should flow across your visuals. Once your date table is created, it's crucial to make sure everything is connected properly. Go to the Model view in Power BI and check the relationships. You'll want to link your sales table's date column to the date table's date column. Make sure this is a many-to-one relationship, with sales on the many side. If you're new to relationships, just picture this as connecting the dots between your raw data and the master calendar. This lets your measures calculate correctly as you change your visuals. Also, don't forget to mark your date table as the official date table. Right-click on your date table, choose Mark as Date Table, and select the date column. It's a tiny step, but it makes a huge difference. This tells Power BI to treat that table as the primary timeline. With your date table set up, now we get to the fun part, building those measures with previous functions. Start by creating a simple total sales measure. Right-click your table in the Data pane, select New Measure, and paste in the formula. Again, I'll put all formulas in the description so you can just copy them over. Next, let's create measures for previous day sales, previous month sales, previous quarter sales, and previous year sales. For each one, right-click, choose New Measure, and use the formula in the description. These functions are amazingly powerful. They allow you to automatically reference sales from the last day, month, quarter, or even year without doing any manual calculations yourself. Let's see the results. Add a table visual to your report and drag in date table date as the rows. Then drop in all your new measures: total sales, previous day sales, previous month sales, previous quarter sales, and previous year sales. Now, as you scroll through your data, you can instantly see sales figures lining up next to the corresponding periods. For example, on January 1st, 2024, you'll see that the previous day sales is 150, the sales from December 31st, 2023. For January, the previous month sales will total everything sold in December. The same goes for quarters and years. This gives you fast, dynamic insights into how your numbers stack up over time. Don't worry if your table shows some blank values at first. That just means there's no previous data for that period, which is totally normal. And there you have it. A simple, clear demo of all the previous functions in Power BI, ready for you to build on in your own reports. If this helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, leave any questions or feedback in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more hands-on Power BI tutorials. See you in the next one.